assessment. It's been discussed there how to provide a quality nursing care towards the patients and understand how to protect clients' rights based on patient bill of rights and obligation. So in here, we've discussed different laws that should be followed for us to avoid any problems or any circumstances. And also it promotes a good relationship towards the patient and the nurses. And also in ethical moral principles, it's been discussed here the different patient rights, which are the autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, veracity, confidentiality, justice, and fidelity. Whereas the nurse should follow all of these rules to avoid any hindrance in providing a proper nursing care towards their patient. There are also some laws that will protect a nurse. One of these is the Good Samaritan Law, where a nurse will render an aid in an emergency situation. So in here, even there is no consultation to the patient or to the patient's family, if it is emergency, the nurse could provide a first aid or any medical support to the patient to avoid any complications. So in RA 9173, or also known as the Philippine Nursing Act of 2002, where it comprehensively provide and understand the nursing profession. So it explains or it recognizes the vital role of a nursing profession in not just in the country but also to the whole world. As a nursing student as of now, I would really apply all of those laws, all of those Republic Acts that has been presented to us in a previous discussion, because it is very essential in my course, especially in my nursing career. So soon, if as I graduated and become a registered nurse, it is very applicable in my nursing career path. So it should be followed, it should be recognized always. Those laws are also being implemented for us to be more responsible when we are performing our jobs in a specific facilities such as medical hospitals, clinics, and more. But of course, we cannot deny that there are some instances that we made mistakes, we commit mistakes. But if you're really into your job, if you're really a professional, you should set aside all of those unnecessary things to avoid any hindrance when you are performing your job. So for me, you should know your priorities to avoid any circumstances that would affect your profession. So in overall, it emphasizes in the ethical legal, the rules and regulation or the methods that we should apply and we should follow when we are performing our jobs inside a medical facility.